We're supposed to be having a sunny week here in the south of England this week. So I thought I would surprise Matt with this little boy. I've never had to set it up myself, so hopefully I'll be all good. The plan is, without him realising, to hopefully, excuse the mess, pressure wash the whole side of the house and the floor. Let's see how I get on. First of all, to try and set up the pressure washer. I don't even know its name. How am I supposed to make it work? See how I get on. Okay, I think I managed to make it work. Look at me. Let's do this. I should be wearing a swimming costume. I don't know why I didn't think about that. This was also why I wanted to do it on a hot day, which was supposed to be today. I'm trying to avoid, at all costs, the red bricks. You can see it pouring red even without touching them. I can't actually see from here just how bad it is. I need to move further away. Oh, you know, I think that I'm being able to remove the worst bit. I'm gonna do the top. Sorry guys, I don't know what you were looking at just then. I think I'm going to do the top bit first, and then the bottom bit, and then the floor. Also, I thought I'd wear some PPE for my eyes. So we've got this attachment for the pressure washer, which is supposed to make it easier for the floor. Let's see if I can work out how it works. Right. Maybe I should be reading some instructions. Well, first of all, actually, I'm going to get rid of the trowel. Found this out just by going onto the YouTube channel for Karcher, and you just press the attachment in and twist and out. Bear with me. Press the attachment in and twist. There you go. It's got to go in the right way. There you go. So I'm just going to do it all again with this one. Not all again, just little bits I can't reach. Go through all the corners, get rid of the dirty water. So I found a huge spider earlier and ever since I just keep feeling things and scratching myself. Anyway, I'm nearly done. That's pretty much done. So obviously I still have all of this rubbish now to collect. This is the front of the house, which will be done another time, to be continued. But for now, I'm just going to collect all the rubbish. Don't know if you remember from my tidying the summer house video, but I've swept this about 2 weeks ago. And look at it. Do make sure to wear old clothes to do your pressure washing. It's funny, it's actually quite hard to tell any difference without looking at it before and after.